We use Google Drive here quite a bit at our school. If you see in the bottom left-hand side of my screen, you'll see a triangle that has the blue and the green and the yellow. That is the app for our Drive. So if you tap on that, you can create different folders. You'll see I have a lot of folders. I like organizing things into categories. And that's probably your best bet. So this is where you can see in just a quick glance all of the different documents or spreadsheets or presentations that you have created. If you'd like to create a new folder for organization, in the bottom right hand side of my screen you see the plus sign. You'll tap on that and then you'll choose folder. So I would name it, let's name it practice, and then say create. So now I have a new folder that I can place documents into. If you are actually doing creating though, you'll want to go into the actual apps for that. So if I tap on my screen here, you'll see that I have a different app for docs, I have an app for slides, and I have an app for sheets. Those are the three major types of things that you can create in Google Drive. Docs is one that I use quite a bit. Students also use slides quite a bit. Those would be probably your two main go-tos. So in order to create, I would just click on the app and then I can hit plus and a new document. I can title it. You know what I'm going to title it, practice. Pops up on my screen and I can type. Okay? That's it. It automatically saves. It does also have a check mark here that you can say, okay, I'm done editing that page. When you're ready to edit again, you're going to click on the pencil in the bottom right-hand corner. It's that easy. In order to do something like a presentation, you'll tap on slides, hit that plus sign. I'm going to say new presentation. I'll title it. You got it, practice. And then it works very much like a PowerPoint presentation. I can edit, double tap, it gives me the directions here. And if I would like a new slide, I'm going to hit plus. Whoops, it's not there, is it? Okay. Oh, there it is, bottom left-hand corner. I can choose what my new slide is going to look like. So there's another one, new topic, double tap to add. When I'm done with everything, just like in the Google Doc, I'm going to hit that check mark, and that, I guess we could say, saves it for us.